Hello, everyone. Welcome to a brand new week of the weekly Forex market analysis. For the coming week, we'll be analyzing the USDCHF, the EURUSD, the AUDJPY, and finally the CADCHF. As we have already noted, the USDCHF, EURUSD, AUDJPY, and CADCHF are the pairs that we'll be looking at for the coming week, with the USDCHF being the first pair on the watch list. Let us start analyzing with that one. So for the coming week, we have a very simple setup to look at on the USDCHF. It is currently near the support of an ascending channel. So for the coming week, we'll be looking at a setup that retraces to the support and bounces back for the bulls to maintain their momentum, or if the retracement gets to the support level, we could also be looking at the breakout for the bears to take over and destroy all this bullish momentum over the month. EURUSD, being the second pair on the watch list, has been in a very downward spiral throughout the month of September till current levels, and we have this trend line to place on it to identify where the price is headed next. So for the coming week, we'll be looking at a setup which retraces upwards to test the trend line for the bearish momentum to continue, or if the retracement onto the trend line comes, we can also be on the outlook for the breakout for the bulls to take over and destroy this whole bearish momentum that has been in place over the weeks. AUDJPY is the third pair on the watch list, and this pair has been very bullish over the past few weeks. So for the coming week, we already have this uptrend line in place on the AUDJPY. What we would be expecting for the coming week would be a retracement back to the trend line for a bounce to occur for the bulls to continue their move, or if the retracement to the trend line comes, we could also be anticipating a break of the trend line for the bears to take over. However, it is worthy of note that the retracement may never come and the AUDJPY may just continue trending upwards from current levels. The CADCHF, which is the final pair on the watch list, has a similar setup to that of the AUDJPY. Therefore, we have a similar outlook for the CADCHF as well. So for the coming week, we will be timing the retracement to the trend lines level for the bulls to continue with the bullish momentum, or the retracement to the trend line would bring a breakout of the trend line for the bears to take over. It is also worthy of note that this retracement may never come, or it may come, but then it wouldn't reach the level of the trend line. So the CAD-CHF may just continue being bullish from its current market price. On the fundamental side of things, the economic week for the coming week is very packed, but then the highlights would be on Wednesday and Thursday. On Wednesday, we have the GDP for the Great Britain coming out. Also, we have the FOMC meeting minutes, which will be coming out. On Thursday, we have the employment change, which will be very critical to the Australian dollar and other critical news that will be affecting the US dollar. So that is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week and see you next week if there are any good setups.